Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview ANBELITE LED lights for Inground Pool 120-volt 35-watt. ANBELITE Color Led light bulb produces bright light for your pool. It has 7 fixed colors, 9 light shows, equivalent to 300 to 400 watt pool bulb. It also saves your electricity bill. Specifically designed for Pentair Amerlite and Hayward Astrolite series pool light fixture. Simple plug-and-play replacement. Simply screw this LED pool light with medium base E27. Features: super bright and energy saving, remote control and switch control, easy to install with medium base E26, 120-volt 35-watt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.